Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to hide followers on Instagram. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here I am on my Android phone. So let me open Instagram application. So this is my demo account, guys. So here we don't have many followers. So you can see if I click on my profile photo. Okay. So guys, here you can see if I click on my profile photo in bottom. So you can see I have only one followers, so this is only demo account. So I'm going to show you how you can hide your followers to others. So if I go on this fill an option, if I go in setting, so that there is no any setting to hide your followers in. If you check in privacy, there is a no any setting to hide your followers to others, but there is a one option you can use to hide followers to others. Go to this three bar option, go to the setting, and okay, go to the setting and go to the privacy, and you can make the your account private. So so that people who don't follow you, they can't see your followers, but who follow you, they able to see your follow all followers and photos and videos. Okay, so only your followers will be able to see your photos, but others who don't follow you, they will not able to see your followers and photos. So just switch on to private, so your account will be private. But there is somebody who you don't want to him to see your followers, then you have to go on your followers. Okay, you can search person from here. I have only one followers. Just search the name from here, and you have to remove from your list. Okay, because somebody follow you, they able to see your followers. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.